Raz. So today it's that time again, it's Gucci again, and we have another Halloween video. As you guys can see, this year, as I said, I decided to be super extremely extra with my Halloween videos. And first of all, I do want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support on my previous video. But today we have another one, and today we have 20 DIY customs ideas. I'm super excited for that because you guys, if you still don't know what to be for Halloween, then as I said, first of all, you still have a lot of time to go, and also you still have today's video that you guys didn't watch just yet. So without further ado, let's just move into the video.
May I help you?
I'm just checking things out.
Are you looking for something in particular?
No, well, yeah. Something conservative.
I don't think this would fit you.
Well, I didn't ask if it would fit, I asked how much it was.
How much is this, Marie?
It's very expensive.
Do you remember me?
No, I'm sorry.
I was in here yesterday. You wouldn't wait on me?
Oh,
You work on commission, right?
yes.
Big mistake. Big. Huge. I have to go shopping now.
Pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman, the kind I like to meet. Pretty woman, I don't believe you. You're not the truth. No.
My eyes close and please fix my hair.
Oh my god. Becky, look at her butt. Oh no. Oh no. Oh crap. Oh crap.
Oh no.
Oh god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
The only thing feared by the spawn of Satan? Mom and Dad. Leave it to Blair Waldorf to know that bitches don't just happen, they're made. By parents even more wicked. And who am I? That's not a secret I'll never tell. You know you love me. XOXO. Gossip Girl.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy.
The new Miss Universe is
Darla, your uncle will see you now.
All right, let's see those pearly whites.
I'm a piranha. They're in the Amazon.
And a piranha's a fish, just like your present.
I love my calendar girl. Yeah, sweet calendar girl. I love my
because you're cruising for a bruising. Get out of my house.
I ain't going nowhere.
Get on out. Are you gonna get a Caucasian uppercut? You're stalking me. You're stalking me.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
You're stalking me. Hi, 911. There's a man in my house. He's broke my shoulders and he's stalking me.
These Instagram models are nothing but trouble. She's going away now. I'm going for throttle.
That just happened and we caught it on film. Hey yo, good morning, Logan. What's pop? What the? Yo, this is what a good way to open a vlog after being gone, bro. Did I literally just wedge this in between the two clamps? Bro, I am an animal. Yeah, that is quite a...
I'm about to break it down. Wiki wiki. Here we go. Every time I look around, all I ever see is people being jealous and they wanna look like me. I got Tyler, Ricky, Flynn,
Baby, you got me higher than a hot air balloon. Gave me fireworks on 4th of July. Hey, hey, went out all night so we could sleep until noon. But when I woke up, you weren't right by my side.
So that completes this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below which costume you guys like best. And also, if you guys were creating any of the looks, then please go ahead and hashtag Glam by Roxy so that I can go ahead and check them out. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below here. Also, be sure you hit the bell button so that you guys can see my coming up videos. And that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!